Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tintin, and I share tips and advice for people who dream of working on a cruise ship. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a strong resume for cruise ship application. Your resume is your first impression, and if you do it right, it can be your ticket on board. So let's get started. Personal information. Start with your personal information. Include your full name, contact number, professional email address, and location. Keep it simple and professional. Avoid using funny or casual email addresses. Objective or summary. Next is your objective. This is a short 2 to 3 sentence statement about your career goal. For example, dedicated hospitality, professional with 3 years of hotel experience, seeking to bring excellent customer service skills to the cruise industry. This tells recruiters why you want the job and what you can contribute. Work experience. After that, write down your work experience. List your most recent job first. Include your job title, company name, the dates you work, and your key responsibilities. Focus on tasks that show customer service, hospitality, or teamwork because these are the most important skills on board. Education and training. Then we go to education and training. Write your degree or diploma, but also highlight any TESDA or NC2 certification, like housekeeping, food and beverage, or culinary. These certifications are a big plus and sometimes even required for cruise ship jobs. Skills. Next is the skills section. This is where you show your strengths. For cruise ship application, highlight skills like customer service, communication, teamwork, multitasking, and safety awareness. These skills will prove that you can handle the fast-paced, multicultural environment on board. Additional information. And finally, you can add additional information. If you have it, this could include seminars, workshops, awards, or even volunteer work. Anything that shows initiative, leadership, or passion for service will give you an edge. Photo. Now let's talk about the photo. For cruise ship applications, agencies usually require a professional passport-size photo in formal attire. This is important because recruiters want to see a neat, well-groomed appearance since you'll be representing the cruise line in front of the guests. References. And lastly, don't forget to add references. These are people, usually your previous supervisors or managers, who can confirm your skills and work ethic. References are important because they give recruiters confidence that you are reliable and trustworthy. Just make sure to ask permission from your references before including their contact details. Tips. Here are some quick tips. Keep your resume only 1 to 2 pages. Use a clean and professional format. Always be honest, don't invent experiences. And last, send your resume in PDF format if you're applying online. So there you have it, your complete guide on how to make a resume for a cruise ship application. Remember, even if you don't have ship experience yet, your skills and training from hotels, restaurant, or even school can open the door to this career. Don't give up on your dream. Your resume is the first step, and that first step can lead you all the way on board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship tips. And if you want me to share a free resume template you can use, just comment below and I'll make it available for you.